Assalamualaikum class. Welcome to the online lecture of Mathematics Grade 4. This is the lesson number 5 and the topic is rounding numbers. Today we will work on book 4. So you have to open the book 4 and take out the page 13. I hope you all have opened the book. So just look at the topic, rounding numbers. Listen to me carefully, beta. This is a new topic for you. You didn't do the topic like this. So you have to concentrate on this topic and listen to me carefully. First of all, by starting this topic, you have to learn some key points. This one. In rounding of numbers, you have to first of all round off numbers to the nearest 10. It is your basics, so you have to start from the tens. In tens, keep in mind these things. There are two types of numbers, the strong numbers and the weak numbers. Strong numbers are this, over here, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And the weak numbers are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. But what does it mean? It means strong numbers have the power to push the tens in the next number. But for example, okay, I'll give you the example in the next page. And the weak numbers, they don't have any kind of power to push the tens. Another thing, keep in mind this thing, this one. What does it mean? This is a sign of rounding off. You all know this sign. This means the equal one. But in rounding off, when you are doing the questions of rounding off, you have to put this sign for the rounding off numbers. Now look at the book, the focus area. Mrs. Ellie went shopping. She bought a handbag of $58, a pair of shoes for $73, and a dress for $35. What is the cost of each item rounded to the nearest $10? How you will do it, I tell you in the next page here. Okay. For your convenience, I make a number line over here. With the help of number line, you can round off numbers to the nearest tens. Now listen to me carefully. The first is cost of handbag. That is $58. So, just keep in mind one thing. 58. 58. It means the value of 5 is 50 and the value of 8 is 1. Listen to me carefully. The value of 5 is 50 and the value of 8 is 1. So, it means 58 lies between 50 and 60. It lies between two tens. That one is 50 and the other one is 60. But how you will know that what will be the final answer? So, come to the 58 number. 58. Now, look at here. 5 is 10 and 8 is 1 over here. So, can you tell me whether 8 is a strong number or it is a weak number? 8 is a strong number. It has the power to push the 5 to the next tens, that is 6 tens, and it becomes 60. Another thing keep in mind, if this one, the ones, if the value of ones is less than 5, then it goes on the left side. But if the value of 5 is if the value of ones is equal to 5 or greater than 5, then it goes to the next tens or on the right side. Is it clear? So 58, the value of 1 is greater than 5, that is 8, or 8 is a strong number. So it push 5 to come on the next tens, that is 6 tens, and it becomes 60. Is it clear? Okay. Now, and how you will write this? You will write like this: 58. This is a sign of round off. 60. Is it clear? Okay. Now come to the next part. The cost, that is the 73. Here. Again 73. The value of ones over here is 3 and the 7 is tens. 7 tens. 7 tens means 70. So 73 lies between 2 tens, that is 70, and the other one is 80. Again, look at over here, 73. 3 is here, the value of 1 is less than 5. So where does it go? It will definitely comes over here. And other thing, 3 is a weak number. So it will not push 7 tens to the other tens. It will remain the same, that is 70. Is it clear? Other one is the $35. Look at over here, 35. 35 means 35 lies between 30 and 40. 5 is equal to 5, or 5 is a strong number, so it pushed 30s to the next tens. That is 4 tens, and it is 40. So when you will round off 35 to the 40, 35 to the nearest 10, it becomes 40. Okay. Now this one, I have told you this thing in the last page. This is the same. This one is the same. Now come to the question number 4. Round 437 to the nearest 10. Now listen to me. This is ones, this is tens, and this is hundreds. Listen to me carefully, beta. You just have to check these last two values. Sorry. You have to just check these last two values, that is 37. Because you are going to work on the nearest 10. You have to round off to the nearest 10. So 4 will remain the same. This one. Now 37. Again make a line. 37 lies between 30 and 40. Am I right? Now look at the 37. The value 1 is greater than 5. Or this is a strong number. So what does it mean? It means that it will push 30 to the next tens. That one is 37. So here. So what does it mean? It means 37 will become 40. Again I am telling you, 7 is a strong number, or this one is greater than 5, so it will push 3 tens to the next tens. That one is 40. Is it clear? Come to the next page. Question number 5. Round 7,996 to the nearest 10. 7,996 to the nearest tens. Again, listen to me. 96. You just have to check the last two digits because you are working on rounding of numbers to the nearest tens. Look at over here. 96. This is ones. So check the ones. Is it a strong number? Yes, this one is a strong number. Second thing is this, it is greater than 5. So what does it mean? It means that 90, here 9 is 90. So what does it mean? It means that it pushed 90 to other tens, that is 100. Because 96 lies between 90 and 100. So when the 100 comes over here, this one becomes 1000 and the last one became 8000. So what does it mean? It means when you will round 7996, it becomes 8000. Is it clear? Now come to the next question. Question number 7. A number rounded to the, this one, question number 6. Round each number to the nearest 10. This one. This question you have to do it by yourself right now. Don't close your books. Do it right now. Nearest 10. Listen to me. You just have to check last two digits because you are working on the question that is rounding off to the nearest 10. Just check last two digits. And remember which are strong numbers and which are the weak numbers. And remember the rule, the number greater than 5, equal to 5 or the less than 5. Is it clear? Okay, now come to the other question. 7. A number rounding to the nearest 10 is 50. What could be the original number be? 3 options, 3 questions. What are the possible answers? What is the smallest number? What is the greatest number? How you will do it? They are saying a number rounding to the nearest 10 is 50. They are saying there is a number. When you will round it off, it becomes 50. So can you tell me what are the possible answers? Okay, I will make for your convenience 2 number lines. It means one is 40 to 50 here and the second is 50 to 60. How will you do it? It means that the numbers which are lies between 40 to 50 are 45, 46, 47, 48, 49. Why I write these numbers? Why didn't I write 41, 42, 43, 44? Because after 45 and after 45, it becomes the number when you will round off 45 and 46, 47, 48, 49, it becomes 55. Because 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 are the strong numbers and 5 is equal to 5 and 6, 7, 8, 9 are greater than 5. So they push 40 to the next tens, that is 50. Is it clear? That's why I here I write only these numbers 45, 46, 47, 48, 49. In another line, I use 50 to 60. Why I use 50 to 60? Because the numbers, there is a number, when you will round it off, it becomes 50. It means they all are less than 5. 51, 51, 52, 53, 54. When you will round off these numbers, these all are less than 5 or these all are weak numbers. So they don't push 50 to the other tens. It will remain the same, that is 50. It means all the possible answers are this one. 51, 52, 53, 54 here and here 45, 46, 47, 48, 49. When you will round off all these numbers, it will become 50. What is the smallest answer? Here you can see that this one is the smallest answer, 45. And what is the greatest number here? This one is the greatest number, 54. Is it clear? But remember, when you are doing the uh, rounding of numbers, please make sure, for your easiness, draw the number line. It will help you. Another thing, you have to keep in mind which are the strong numbers and which are the weak numbers. And last thing, you have to remember the rule. If the number is last one is equal to 5, what you have to do, greater to 5 or less to 5, what you have to do. So after doing this practice side on the same page, you have to do it on your book. This one is your homework. So remember this. You have to do it by yourself. If you have any problem, if you can find any kind of difficulty or confusion, please ask me in the group. Um, so try this and remember me in your prayer. See you in the next lesson. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.